Tama po yung sinabi ng PBA Legends dun sa PBA Moto Club YouTube channel. So shoutout po sa kanila. I'm reacting to the video Prangkahan Sagot ni Willie Miller at mga PBA Legends po, PBA at Gilas. Pag-usapan natin yung mga sinabi nila kasi medyo talagang straight to the point na po at talagang dapat gumising na tayo. Dapat di natin ginagaya po yung sa Gilas Pilipinas, yung PBA style. Pero may malaki tayong problema kasi talaga. At hindi ito masusolusyonan kung ganito ng ganito lang.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Actually, idol ko yung subscriber sa kanyang PBA Moto Club at gusto ko yung mga travel nila. Yan din yung mga parang parehas kami. Ganyan din yung ginagaya ko. Mostly ako do sa boxing. But anyway, let me go straight to the point din. Kagaya ni Willie Miller. Ang ganda ng mga sagot ni Willie Miller. Walang takot. Kasi syempre, pag dati kang PBA player, tsaka dati kang nagdalo sa national team, medyo parang you wanna be as politically correct as possible. Pero tama naman po. I think sinabi nila yon at sinasabi ko rin ito because of our concern and our love for our national team and our love for basketball. Now we really wanted to be to improve and we wanted to compete and we want to win, not just to join, no? So ang pinaka nakuha ko doon, dapat hindi natin gayahin yung parang PBA import style na pag-import, puro isolations at sinabi din doon na parang kulang daw sa point guard. And siguro ang pwede ko lang konting ibahin ng konti pero I still agree with that is kulang sa timon ng point guard na parang yung system natin sa paglalaro revolves around one guy, yung import natin which is or naturalized natin na si Jordan Clarkson. Alam din nila, sinasabi nila siguro dahil kasi nga NBA player, we wanna rebuild, dapat di tayo nahihiya. Kasi sanay tayo kasi sa pag gumawa tayo ng import sa ibang bansa, pag pinasok natin, parang biglang silang center of attention. But unfortunately, that cut both ways. Di bali sana nga, sinabi nila kung Jordan, at kahit talagang magbuhat, iba no? And doon tayo nababasa. Nakakatuwa din, no? Sinabi ni Willie Miller, tinitext niya nga ba nga daw yung mga point guard, bakit pinapabayaan niyo yung ibang posisyon na magdala ng bola? Dapat sila yung mag-set ng plays. And sa akin, it all boils down yung sa sinabi nila na kulang sa play, rotation ng bola. They also mention yung Gilas 1.0 sina Chris Chu, sina Coach Rajko Toraman. I think yun yung isa sa na sana na sana pinagpatuloy, but there's more to it kasi than basketball, and I'm sure they know that yung PBA Moto Club na there's politics, money involved in all of those things. Marami tayong magaling na players, don't get me wrong, but I guess we're finding out the hard way na hindi kailangan magaling lang, hindi kailangan matangkad lang. Ngayon meron na tayong height, hindi na siguro natin irereklamo kasi niliit natin. So, hindi pala yun yung solusyon. Kahit na may 7-footer tayo, may 6'10 tayo, yung malalaki na yung lineup natin, hindi pala natin kayang manalo. Kung ang gagawin natin is the same thing that we have been doing nung panahon pa ng dati. Kasi nag-evolve na yung basketball. At yung style natin, hindi siguro po bagay sa atin. Bale sana kung may Luka Doncic tayo na dribble drive. Wala No? Jordan Clarkson is good. We want him to play. But again, para sa akin hindi naman niya fault na ganun yung binigay sa kanya na role So he has to embrace that. Fortunately, mapapagod, kaya yun nga, totoo naman, sinabi rin naman namin as a fan, and not even an expert, I realize already the issue. So kaya ang hirap po na manalo. So sa akin, tama po yung sinuggest ng PBA Moto Club. Sila yung mga dating player yan na we need to have a dedicated international player that we will groom to play internationally for the international style. And the big problem here is that where do we get those players? Sa PBA or locally. And the style that we do here is yung dati pa rin. So siguro it's time for us to change. Tingnan mo kung agree ka sa akin dito. Yung mga ibang mga import, gaya pagdating mo sa Japan, kinukuha yung import, hindi naman automatically sila yung nagdo-dominate eh. They have to be part of the system. It's as simple as this. When we get a player, we don't adjust to the player. The player adjusts to the system. And I think that's the biggest issue dapat. Kasi what's happening is that because the player is good, we gotta adjust to center around him. And yun na nga, this wouldn't happen siguro if we have minsan naiisip ko tuloy, paano kung yung mga nag-practice na lang ang talagang na-retain? Wala tayong NBA player. Paano kung si Justin Brownlee? Na it's, there's no guarantee. Pero the only thing that's for sure is we gotta change how we play, and the system that we're using probably needs to also change. Yun lang. And shoutout sa PBA Moto Club. Thank you. Nakapag-react lang sa video nyo. Lagi ako nanonood yan yung mga travel. I think papunta sila ng CDO yata doon sa video na to. So, agree ba kayo sa kanila? At agree ba kayo na talagang again, we're not hating anyone. We are just voicing out our opinion and concern, because next time sa ating lifetime, gusto naman natin makita na manalo naman ang Gilas Pilipinas, lalo na yan po yung ating kahit hindi yan yung national sport, alam naman natin na yan talaga yung number 1 sport sa Pilipinas sa ngayon.